It's time. Time for what? Well, time to unbox a keyboard, silly. Why else did you click on this video? But it's not just any keyboard. It's the McChose MC G75-8 G75 Pro, 75% RGB Mate Latte Switch Blue, and future cable here. It's so incredibly thocky. Here, have a listen. Just kidding. You're gonna have to wait till later. Also, on the website where I bought the keyboard from, the description originally said that the keyboard's color was black, even though in the title it said it was blue. So I was confused and sent them a message about it, and they ended up updating the description because of me. I did something! But anyway, I've been super excited to get my hands on this keyboard for quite a while, so let's begin. Okay, so someone told me that if you like wave your hand over something, you can open anything instantly. But there's no ways it actually works, right? Wait, it actually works? How did I not know about this earlier? Okay, well this box, I'm gonna do myself. That is a pretty solid box. But now it's time to actually open it up and feel the keyboard for ourselves for the first time. My gosh, boxes are so like difficult and annoying to open. Oh, I'm stupid. Ooh. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, now let's pull these things out. Oh my gosh. Seeing it in person, I can't believe I have this. It actually looks so nice. Okay, wait, I gotta show you guys. I am genuinely so happy. Look at that. And that's still in the plastic. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to feel it. Oh, I'm too excited. Come on. There we go. Ooh. It's quite weighty. Like, it's got a bit of weight to it, which is apparently nicer for keyboards. Makes them feel not so cheap. Okay, this is gonna go on the floor there. And there we go. Okay, I'm gonna take it out for the first time. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This thing is so cool. Look at that. Hopefully that's a good shot. I'll show you on my phone as well. So this is the McChose MC G75. I'll spare you all the other stuff this time. Now, I've had it in front of me for quite a while now, since I've been like tidying up all the other stuff. And I've been preventing myself from touching it so that my first reaction will be on camera. So, it's time for a type test. Okay, so I'm gonna move my mic real close to the keyboard. And let's go, I'm actually so excited. Oh my goodness. I haven't ever felt something so majestic. Like, genuinely, the fact that I can use this as my keyboard now, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I have this keyboard now. I think it's super cool. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to do in this video. So if you do want to know what other cool features it has and all the other like special things that it comes with, then I'll link the video that I watched before buying it down in the description for you guys to take a look at. But don't worry, this won't be the last time you see this keyboard. I have something planned for it. But otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't look at what's happening in the mirror. And here's some more typing before the video ends.